How do you calculate prism surface area for a tent? Imagine setting up a tent in your backyard and wondering how much fabric you need to cover it completely. Calculating the surface area helps you figure out the material required. When you think about a tent shaped like a prism, it's made up of two identical polygon bases connected by rectangular sides. To find out how much fabric you need to measure all the outer surfaces. The main idea is to add up the area of the two bases and the area of all the side faces. The formula for the surface area of a prism is quite straightforward. Take twice the area of the base, then add the perimeter of the base multiplied by the height of the prism. The base area depends on the shape of the base. If your tent has a triangular base, you calculate the area by multiplying half the base length by the height of the triangle. If it's rectangular, just multiply the length by the width. To find the perimeter, add up all the sides of the base shape. The height is the distance from one base to the other, which is usually the length of the tent from front to back. Once you have these measurements, you can plug them into the formula. Multiply the base area by 2 because there are two identical bases. Then, multiply the perimeter of the base by the height to get the total area of the side faces. Adding these two results gives you the total surface area. For example, if your tent has a triangular base with sides of B and C, you first find the area of the triangle. You can do this with the formula 1/2 times the base times the height of the triangle, or use Heron's formula if you know all three sides. Then you double that area for the two bases. Next, find the perimeter by adding sides of B and C. Multiply that perimeter by the length of the tent, which is the height of the prism. Add everything up, and you get the total surface area. This number tells you how much fabric or material you need to cover the entire tent, including the ends and the sides. Knowing how to calculate the surface area makes it easier to plan for materials and costs when building or covering a prism-shaped tent. It also helps you visualize the shape better, understanding how the different parts come together. By breaking the shape into its base and side faces, you can confidently determine the total surface area for any prism-shaped tent.